A disease can be passed through breast milk. The disease which are not passed limited in child hepatitis B virus, hepatitis C, and HTLV and HIV. Is breastfeeding a medical condition? Lactation is a medical condition protected by Title VII and PDA. What are three disadvantages of breastfeeding? Number one, adjustment period and pain. The early weeks of breastfeeding and often the most difficult. Number two, the benefit may be exaggerated. The benefits of breastfeeding, especially the cognitive benefit, may be exaggerated. Number three, loss of bodily autonomy. Number four, lack of social support. Is breastfeeding after 2 years harmful? No evidence of physiologic harm from breastfeeding into the third year of life and longer.